What's up, y'all? You know me. So I want to show you something. There's the shop. There's the new shop. And the new rig in there I built. It's the old plow truck in there. Oh, did you catch the hint of that? Oh, did you see that? So check this out. Really good friend of mine. He had some stuff for sale. Well, you know what? I decided... I mean, it's fun. I decided. Sometimes it's fun to build your own truck. I made the box in the back. But sometimes it's more fun to buy somebody else's truck that they have put a lot of work into. Now, if you guys have seen this truck before in videos and things like that, it used to be purple. Yeah, bask in that glory. Now I'm going to tell you who I got it from. My good friend Cyle from East Coast Scale. Look at this. This guy builds his own bumpers. He brazes his own bumpers. Brazes his own rock sliders. Does his own links. Custom bumpers. Well, even one in the back. I put the little chain hook on just to tow. Look. Does his own shock hoops. Front and back. Custom. Magnetic body mounts. On the sides there. There. Now, I added this just to hold the battery in, because not all my batteries have Velcro. Just to hold the battery in place. He is running that. Cyle. Y'all know that. That's the ESC, and you're probably all going, well, what's the other ESC for? Second ESC, brushed ESC, brushless. The second ESC is for the servo winch. The servo winch, which runs through some brake line all the way to the front. Look at that. Now, that ESC powers that. So this guy is getting the full power of the second ESC. Now there's a separate switch, so I can turn it off and on as I need it. Right now, it's most of the time it's off. I did install a second switch for this guy. He had it, so you plug it in, it comes on. I don't particularly like that. I like being able to turn it off and on as I want it. This is a GCM, my buddy Chris. It's my guy, man. That's you want stuff from a good guy? You call Chris from GCM Racing. He builds A1, just like Cyle. A1. Like, look at these things, man. He's brazed all. Look at the handwork. Look at the work. Look at the work he puts in. He even panhard mount. Look, panhard mount bumpers. Listen, if you want some stuff from Cyle, go to East Coast Scale on Facebook. Send him a message. Simple. Look at it. Two great builders. Y'all know GCM. And if you don't, well, you got to know GCM. Anyway, the tires. Cyle put a lot of work. Vanquish axles, front and back. The shocks. Custom. This is all like a custom built truck. Look at that. Like, Cyle builds something, he puts the best of the best into what he's building, whether it be the parts or whether it be whatever he's building. GCM, best of the best. Bumpers, best of the best, because he built them. Links, I mean, anybody can build links, but, you know, he puts a lot of time and effort, a lot of measurements. He does this thing. So, big shout out to Cyle. Big shout out to Kyle for allowing me to buy this truck. This has been his go-to truck forever. You know, ever since he built it, this has been his go-to truck. Look, I forgot to show you this. The hood opens. Got his stickers. This has been his go-to truck. Every time we went on a trail, we went crawling, anywhere, this is the truck he drove, right? He beat it up. Not overly bad, but he beat it. He rolled it. Look at the scratches. He rolled it. He's got another truck he built. He calls it the Chevy. It's like A1 as well. Now, that's a scale truck, right? But this is, when we were out having fun, bam. And this thing is so slow. Like, you can just go so slow with it. I'm just ecstatic that I was able to purchase it from him. He was let me buy it. But anyway, big shout out to Kyle. East Coast Scale. Go and check him out. Shout out to GCM. Go check him out too. Y'all know GCM, man. He's on the Facebook. Kyle's on the Facebook. Go check him out. Rental Boys RC.